guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Kissy Unstoppable. And guys, right here we have Queen Lady Gangster. Yeah, you don't know, it's a Queen Lady Gangster done them Amari pants thing. Yeah, big up yourself, Queenie. But Queenie here for telling us the things them Queenie don't talk from people, and she not take disrespect from people, and she not gonna make nobody style her. So me I gonna make her go over and listen to what Queenie have to say about the whole situation as thing. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, put on your post notifications so you know each time I upload a video. So let's go over and hear what Queenie have to say right now.
So now, because of the internet, we can explore ourselves and exalt ourselves, and the world can see we, and who is in our court will be in our court. But I say again, big up to Lang and everybody, well done. You know, it's a hard job and an easy job. You understand me? And it's not about to have my opinion to say, it's not about that. If me there hear some me come on my platform and want to say, Bumba pussy blood clot Queenie ring thing, it's my platform. So big up Lang, big up everybody, big up all of this thing crew and make it possible. Big up me, Queenie, big up Amari as well. Amari, big up yourself. But you're rude, you assault me. And Frank, so what his joke to you is dead to him, Amari. Amari, you know, so I'm not take them violation, the darling. But it's because I'm a professional and I have me at bigger levels. I drama you and I humor you. But it's rude. It's rather rude what you done. That is, you will have say I got sue people. Yeah? You make an attempt in so many times you assault me. You know that me can't sue you, I can't take it to court because you assault me physical. I may say to you, the girl, I'm a physical something. Girl, me don't know you from nowhere and you don't know me. Why you want to exalt yourself? It's not about that, baby, because for you see me in a real life, you know me is a bad winner. There's no comparison to me and you. Me not discriminate you because remember, and everybody I tell me now, I got done the girl. What I say, me not depend for done the girl, you know, me depend for showing my talent. I want that platform to expand myself, for go and serve my people then. So when I say as I reach the stage, I spit, I literally spit by me now, because she come in on my face. I like she go say, and she come up in on my face, you know, first. That is rude, you know, Amari. And what I'm tired up, and at the end of a good day, Frank saw what his joke to is dead to him, but in my head, me as a talent, lyrical. Me not even get forget my lyrics them. You understand me? But Amara, put fun and joke aside, darling. You make so much big talk, say you come, you gotta take the lady off of my name, in the word at the stage. But you come for attack me physical, baby. You understand? I'm gonna tell them something for joke.
Her name and give the gangster to her.
I tell them from yesterday when I do the interview, I said to them, I leave the Queen of England with my husband, with the king. It's the Lady Gangster on stage tonight. So Queenie wasn't there, was Lady Gangster. But my point is, you come now for perform and say I have lyrics. I mean in a body, I mean exist in it. Whether you're mad, you still got your 30 days around the world to reach Jamaica. Nash, big up the bad suit. Girl, the bad suit cute on stage. Alright. And you come. As them give me the mic. Remember you first up on the stage, you know. As them give me the mic. You come literally spitting on my face. Me have to swallow my breath, you know. You know, I don't even remember what I said to her. Like my dad said, hug, some word me use. I condole myself in it. And I say, Queenie, don't peer though, but I don't plan to say, but I appear on my camera good at blanking out people with me ready. Then I said, nobody attack me. I have to just humor it out. Amari a bad girl, he's not a bad girl. Come we just sweep on your foot, girl. Me a country blood clot girl, Amari. I don't want to contest to come with a kick up your pussy wall before the I scoop her up like one shovel take her off a stage. Scoop her up, them shovel her a truth. Them shovel her up. I'm a feel so sorry for her because you know what, Amari.
Is this what clashes?
That's not a clash either. That's an attack.
Is this what clashes? Is this what's supposed
that is attack. We don't even get to express my vocal. But Amari, I want for discrimination, you know, but You see, the day before I went and sting, I'm here to Destiny. This is from my mom to our next mom. Yes, sir, Jamaica people, them I don't get class them. And the people them not for vote for me. I don't want them blood clot vote. No, so me a chink. Me never want nobody for vote for me because them want vote for me. There's a different. Me, Queenie, can't want them for vote for me, Amari. Them want vote for me, but away from that, Amari. You see, when I listened to you the day before Sting, which was Christmas Day, the way you speak to that little girl, Destiny, she's 19. Destiny, all if you're rude to me, it's mentally, physically, and spiritually abuse, it's torture. You ever sit there and tell a little 19-year-old how bigger Anita is? The same words that you use to me. So when I said that, I said, Yvette, oh, that's why she class, Rochelle. Because I'm not taking Amari, you know. So I said, oh. I said, oh, that's why she talks about my daughter. Because you hear that at the same place and she's 19. And you gotta tell me, Queenie, prior before you speak to your daughter like that, Queenie, the people that are Jamaican now this year, me not ask the people that are doing nothing for me because I don't want them to do nothing for me. You know why? Because they're doing it for themselves freely. Me not ask somebody to make meme, for repost me. Everything is natural. But Amari, you see from the way I see you speak to Destiny, I said, no, this little girl need help. I should love her mother. I should deal with her mother with so respect. Destiny, big up yourself. I'm not busy if you want like me. Because you tell them mama did for beat me. But your brain, little brain's confused and I pardon you. Because you need help, Destiny. You need, me not need my blood clot help. We're just terrible and awful. And a malfunction and a malfunction. Amari is a public abuse. All who are rep for Amari and I say Amari this, Amari that. Don't forget help from Amari and our child. That little girl need help. You can. If you ever hear me come for internet, come abuse my kids, them you mad? And not even inside either. You understand what I mean? Amari, you are troubled and you need help. So if you do you entertain in the world or you come for the body which man God hurt, I rate you. I like the challenge where you make for come challenge me because there's no challenge. You're on a disturb, wicked. You spend me so no life. I say but Queenie nothing there. Just nicey. You understand? Amari, you cannot speak to the child like that and then come for contest me. I mean, so the children are the future. That's a young generation there. You understand me? And regardless, I go say your child, Destiny, is a little crook if you sit down and take up back when somebody come to you and tell you that you need help. You are troubled. You're 19. You're scared a little girl from early. So when you come and done my daughter, I only can forgive you, Amari. You understand me? I don't need help, man. You're rude to Amari. You really think you could have come attack me on stage? When Jesus said yes, I not even know what I'm draw for it. When I see me throw back your plastic wig, come on. And not even about people discriminating. Amari, I could have come tell you some nasty things. But I don't say. Me, now make the world see two great big old blood clot pussy woman. The past stage I say all of the half-full word about each other. Make Shalom class, man, just draw my dirty blood clot. Cause me say crazy.
Girl power.
Never lazy. A girl power me still I promote same way. You understand me? Yeah man, I'm very rude. When me say I tap me. Hey, you know what my love? When cause me go up on the stage, you know, me not get for perform a song what I want to do, you know. Me take off all my dress before time, you know. Come and see I attack me, I say, me now make this bumper clad frack and hold me off for the ray. The frack come off quicker than what I expect. Cause Stephanie come help me. Yeah, for Christian lady in our spirit. Cause I go perform it with my dress and then take off my dress. And she spoil all of it. So when I see she constantly, first she come up in my face and goes like she goes in my face. She blow her breath in my face. That is rude, you know, Amari. Put fun and joke aside. You pass your place so much. Entertainment is to a level. But you get physical, girl. Duh. But remember she said for her life, so that cough that what Queenie have. But you come a coughing on my face. How fucking very dare you, Amari? And then you have the chief who say, I gotta take my fucking throne. I mean take throne. I want him take throne. You hear me tell you? Nobody can take my throne. Me's no comparison to nobody. Me's my own competition. Nobody can win me because I'm always a fucking winner. I'll let me lose. It's still.
So guys, the Queen had said it. When you hear what Queenie said, Queenie not take violation from people, Queenie not take disrespect, and Queenie now make nobody style her. You understand? Me like how she maintain her composure on stage. She never go there for fight. She go there for fight. Lyrically, Amari never want that Amari want fight. I'm sure no say if Queenie did just push Amari will just drop in because Amari just full of mouth. You the on internet where you gonna do to Queenie and where you got this. You go there for lyrical warfare. Show them people them what you got. Queenie go there and Queenie show the people them what she made off. You understand? Big up yourself, Queenie. Big up yourself. One Queen in the day. Big up yourself. Bye, guys.